Using Afterpay on DoorDash is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you need to open Google Chrome and type Afterpay in the search bar. Afterward, click on the Afterpay website link. When the Afterpay website dashboard is opened, you can see its website interface. You can also click on the Download the App button to download the Afterpay app, which you can then install on your mobile phone. If you are new to Afterpay, you must click on the Sign Up button to create your Afterpay account. Once you have created your Afterpay account, click on the Login button to log in. After logging in, use the search bar to look for DoorDash. Here, you will find a variety of cards, including different types of cards, but you should click on the Door Gift Cards button. Afterward, enter your desired price, and you can also click on the Details button to view more information about the cards. Additionally, you can click on the Expiration button to find out that there is no expiry date. To review the terms and conditions, you can click on the Terms and Conditions button. Finally, click on the Buy for Yourself button, and you can now make your purchase of DoorDash. And that's it. This is how you can use Afterpay on DoorDash.